Hey folks, how's your winter? Come on over and let us help brighten it up. We're finally gonna do some blue and white in the kitchen for you. It's gonna be special right here on my take on home and garden. Guys, come on over. Spend a few minutes with us and get some fresh ideas for the kitchen today. Now I'm gonna take you, of course, like I like to, and show you what I'm gonna use possibly to decorate the kitchen for winter. We can start at the table here. We'll use a couple things that you saw at Christmas time. We still have our white church out, an arrangement I did in the little Art Deco vase. We even have a gingerbread house. Scallop, elegant charger plates for this table, and a blue and white beautiful plate, and another for accents. Here's a jumbled group at the coffee station waiting for a new tray and background. Wintry cups in our anniversary set with matching coffee pot. All right. And how about some wintry fresh items like you saw at Christmas time, because after all, it is still winter. We've got a wonderful snow globe with deer in an antique white, and a beautiful cobalt blue sleigh with just some greens and a little bit of pine and berries in there. We've got our blue and white all cotton kitchen towels and a elongated wonderful tray for the coffee station. Always gotta have a bird or two not in the bush. And then another arrangement by myself in a fabulous English blue and white. Now we've got a white farmhouse creamer, farmhouse jug for utensils, another lighter blue and white pitcher. We have some Turkish trivets and a farmhouse in a chippy milk can. You can see everything is bare here and waiting to decorate. A couple of ginger jars, more Delft, sweet little cobalt blue vase, and Delft plate. These little cobalt blue sleighs, one is satin and one is clear cobalt blue, probably by Mosser. I found those 30 years ago and haven't seen one in the wild since. Here's some beautiful sterling silver salt and peppers in a little decorative jar. We got our 3-tier server just to take it home. Okay, hey, I'm gonna put this all together for you now, and I'll bring you back just like magic right away to see what we got done. Okay guys, let's check out our wintry kitchen this week. Coming in from the pantry, we can see some blue and white touches. Our mixing bowls on the butcher block with a sweet arrangement for anyone to look at while they're doing the dishes on the island. Here we'll just go around the whole counter where we've added those touches. Most everything else is left the same. We see our collections and milk glass chickens. They just seem to work any time of the year. Coming around the clubhouse turn, we can see our pieces that we've used along the counter. Not overdone, but something to smile about and be happy about, like our little cobalt blue collection on the shelf above this sink. And I did have to rescue this area with a wonderful teapot in the Victoria Ware stoneware teapot. Just seemed like another blank space for me. Coming around our little wintry vignette with our church. Love being able to still see it, and even the gingerbread house. Just a little bit of a wintry town left to see. Little blue and white tidbits. More cobalt blue on the shelves. Specialty teacups and saucers, even Mr. Squirrel by Goebel of Germany. And just to show you how important things are to us, this little baby cup and saucer is my grandfather's. It's from Germany, and so was he. His parents moved here, but he was born here. Okay. Coming around, we see our wonderful three-tiered plate. I wanted a little piece of pine and a pine cone with that bird. Then our table for winter. My arrangement in the blue and white English picture. And yes, the snow globe with reindeer. This is not phony. I still want to see it. It's turned on for dinner, still every night. Just don't want to completely let go. I mean, why be miserable? Right? Okay. Do it slowly. Here's our wintry coffee station for this year. Everything here is practical and actually used. I like a balance of things. And again, our Christmassy cobalt blue sleigh. The blue and white plate, lots of white, gold trim in our anniversary set. And I think we're getting ready to have a special coffee or tea. Well folks, hopefully you liked our video today. Decorate the kitchen for winter with me. Put a smile on your face, give you some fresh ideas. Hopefully if you did get anything out of it at all, give us a like or share a comment, send a friend over, and we appreciate you coming by. Check out that store on Etsy. The quick link is in the hyper belt right under any video. Be good, stay warm, and we hope your winter is being good for you. Take care now, we'll see you soon. Bye guys.